Hello and welcome to Forex.Academy, your #1 website for Forex and crypto education and analysis. In today's edition, we're going to be discussing the Bittrex Exchange In-Depth Review, Part 1 of 2. This part of the in-depth review of Bittrex Exchange will touch on the basics of the platform, its team, as well as its liquidity and the exchange itself. This is the first of 2 parts of the Bittrex in-depth review. General information. Bittrex is an exchange founded in Seattle, Washington, USA. The exchange started off its operations in February 2014. Back when the company was founded, there were a lot fewer exchanges, so the exchange became extremely popular as the industry was not so crowded. Bittrex is still considered a popular exchange, though its popularity dropped over time. The Bittrex team considers the exchange to be a global leader in crypto revolution. They market their exchange as a platform designed for people who require extremely fast trade executions, secure digital wallets, as well as leading industry practices. Bittrex doesn't just have its platform, but also a blockchain incubator. To promote global innovation in the industry, Bittrex works with various teams so that they can help the new tokens with potentially great use cases to transform the industry they are targeting. Bittrex is one of the most popular exchanges that originate from the USA. They are also operating from the USA. They permit US investors to join the platform, unlike BitMEX, which does not allow US investors onto the platform. The main people who stand behind the Bittrex exchange are Bill Shihara, Richie Lai, and Rami Kawach. These 3 individuals come from a background of cybersecurity. They have previously worked at many well-established companies in the tech sector, such as BlackBerry and Amazon. The Bittrex trading engine. Bittrex notified its user base of an update to its platform trading engine on the 25th of February 2019. The update then got carried out on the 27th of February 2019. The purpose of this major update was to make the platform much faster, scalable, as well as to pave the way for additional exciting upgrades and features. Since the update, the order books update faster, while overall order execution is much smoother. In fact, the order process speed is more than 20 times faster than before the platform update happened. Liquidity. Bittrex's liquidity is considered decent. However, there is quite a distance to cover if the exchange wants to catch up with the top 10 exchanges in terms of liquidity. Bittrex reported its 24-hour trading volume at approximately $13 million in February 2019, and on the 11th of June 2019, the report showed Bittrex's 24-hour trading volume increased almost 5 times, coming in at $55 million. However, the past few months have shown us that Bittrex's volume reduced overall. Check out part 2 of our Bittrex in-depth guide to learn more about the platform itself, its fees and deposit methods, as well as the security of the exchange. If you enjoyed the video, then please like and subscribe and leave a comment down below about anything you would like us to discuss in future, or if you have any questions about this particular video. Have a great day.